वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी विद एनएफटी 2023। एनएफटी के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं 2023 में, ये हम देखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल का सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन का प्रेस कर दें। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। The world of digital art and collectibles has been revolutionized by the introduction of non-fungible tokens. There are hundreds of promising NFT startups on the crypto market these days. If you are an artist, collector, or investor, the NFT landscape provides you with numerous opportunities to generate income. If you have been wondering how to make money with NFT, you have come to the right place. In this blog post, we will take a look at the 5 different ways of investing in NFTs, from creating and selling your own digital art to investing in visual land. These tips are designed to help you navigate the NFT market and potentially generate significant returns. Create and sell your own NFT art. One of the most direct ways to make money with NFTs is by creating and selling them. As an artist or content creator, you can tokenize your work, turning it into a unique tradable asset on blockchain. Creating NFT is easy. Here, how you can get started. Choose your art medium. NFTs encompass a wide range of digital media, including images, videos, music, 3D models, and even virtual reality experience. Pick the one you like the most and do it best. Create your asset. Spend time refining your digital creation, making it unique and visually appealing, something that collectors or investors would value. Select an NFT marketplace. There are numerous NFT marketplaces where you can mint and list your art, such as OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation. Research each platform fee, user base, and supported blockchains before making your decision. Mint your NFT. Once you have chosen a marketplace, follow their guidelines for minting NFTs. Upload your digital artwork and create a token to represent it on the blockchain. List your trade for sale. Set a price for your NFT and list it on the marketplace either for a fixed price or as an auction. Invest in NFT collection. If you don't want to create NFTs, you can go with another way to make money with NFTs. Investing in digital collectibles and art. This involves purchasing non-fungible tokens that are a part of a series or set with the goal of selling them later for a higher price. Some well-known NFT collections include CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and Women. World of Women. To get started with investing in NFT collection, follow these steps. Research popular and upcoming collections. Keep an eye on NFT marketplaces, social media platforms, and industry news to identify trending and potentially valuable releases. Analyze rarity and value factors. Assess the rarity of NFT within collection based on factors such as edition size, artist reputation, and unique traits. Higher rarity generally correlate with higher value. Set a budget. Determine how much you are willing to invest in NFT collections and stick to your budget. Remember that investing in NFT can be risky and there is no guarantee of returns. Purchase NFT once you have identified a collection that aligns with your interest and investment goals. Buy the NFTs on a trusted marketplace. Monitor the market. Trade NFT ऑन सेकेंडरी मार्केट। तो ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसके अंदर हमने बात की कि एनएफटी से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। गुड बाय।